How to fix mobile data not working in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and here is some quick fixes. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to toggle mobile data. Swipe down to quick settings panel and turn mobile data off if it is turned on. Then you need to wait a few seconds then turn it back on. If this doesn't help you, you simply need to enable and disable airplane mode. On the same quick setting panel, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Wait until that and you need to turn it off back. With that, you need to restart your phone. A simple restart can fix many network issues, so simply hold power button on your device. Then you need to swipe towards restart. And with that, you will simply fix mobile data not working on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.